Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Chevrolet Traverse LT. This four-door SUV has a two-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 107,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, automatic climate control, front air conditioning, airbags, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, OnStar, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.